Well, we're back in Texas. This is the Big Bend National Park. It is majestic.
Beautiful day.
Hi, I'm Jerry. We're back in the great state of Texas to visit Big Bend National Park. This is our first national park for 2022. We arrived in the cooler month of February, where the highs are only in the 90s. This video will be a little bit different than what we've done in the past, in that we don't have a whole lot of video from the park. So we'll be presenting pictures of our time in the park. The second part of this video will highlight our motorcycle ride down the Rio Grande Valley. The ride along the river was spectacular. We had really enjoyed the rugged scenery. So this is our first travel video of 2022. We hope you enjoy it. See you down the road. We spent 1 week at the Paisano Village RV Park in Terlingua, Texas, which is located close to the west entrance of Big Bend National Park. On our first journey into the park, we drove down the awesome Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive, which ends at the majestic Santa Elena Canyon. Our second adventure into the park was a late afternoon trip to the Chisos Mountain Visitors Center to catch a sunset through the famous mountain window. Our next adventure was a motorcycle ride west on Highway 170, which follows the Rio Grande River. Spectacular scenery there.